Hello my dear friends, thanks for stopping by to watch my video. Today I'm going to show you a software which will make you a lot of money if you use your brains. Yes, you heard it right. I'll give you tips and tricks on how to make money online using an email extractor software. You just have to watch this video till the end. You'll get to know what my bonuses are, and all my tips and tricks. Okay, so just relax, nothing to worry about. You can grab a coffee, whatever you want. Just relax because it won't be a boring video. It won't be a long video, but you just have to know how to make money online using this software. And of course, if you do not want to watch this video, you just want an email extractor software, you can just go to topemailextractor.com and you can just go and it will redirect you to the software which I'm talking about. Okay guys, let's get started. You can see out here that this software has lots of features like search by keywords. Now what it does is you can insert any keywords in any niche. You may be in yoga niche, or let's say dating niche, or work at home, like in this example. Okay, so all you have to do is just insert keywords in your niche. Okay, if it's yoga niche, you may write keywords like yoga lovers, I love yoga, etc., etc. Now in this case, in this example, I'm choosing make money online niche. Okay, so I've written work at home, make money online, making money, making ideas, work from home, etc., etc. Okay, now what it does is this software will extract email addresses. It will search email addresses from different search engines like AOL. You can see out it AOL, Ask, Bing, Google, and Yahoo. You can also choose according to the countries. Okay, so you may want email addresses of people who are interested in work at home, but those email addresses or those people has have to be residing on United States. Okay, so you can just go and choose whatever you want, whichever country you want. Okay, so I've chosen United States, and don't worry about this, leave it as the default setting. You just have to click OK. And what this software does, it will start extracting email addresses of people who are interested in work at home, make money online, whatever keywords you have inserted. It will start extracting email addresses accordingly. Okay, so this is the process and this is the queue. Now what this software does on the back end is it will go to every URL out here. It will go to every URL and search for email addresses in those URLs. Okay, so you can also see that work from home moms, the keyword which you have inserted, it will extract email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. So what you can do is you can once the email be extracted, you can see that the extraction process has already started. So once you get tons of email addresses, you can just go and after this step you can just go and enjoy yourself. You do not have to look after the software. This software will keep extracting email addresses on autopilot. Okay, so how you can make money out of it? Okay, just go to clickbank.com and just go create an account, free account, and go to affiliate marketplace. So you'll see a page like this. Even if you do not have any ideas about niche, if you do not have a product, you do not know what to sell, there's you do not have to worry at all, because you can see out here that there are many niches out there which you can select from. In our case, we are extracting email addresses of people who are interested in making money online or work from home. So I chose e-business and e-marketing. Make sure you sort by popularity by default. You can see out there are lots of different offers which you can promote, and you'll get paid 25 to 75% post sale. Okay, you just have to go out here and see what this offer is all about. Now this offer is a good offer, and it's about ClickBank University. You also get recurring payment of $123.25 every month without working. Okay, so it's really worth uh, advertising this. You can just click this promote button and you'll get a link out here, which you have to promote, and for every sales you get paid $415.15. Okay, and after the first month you'll also get paid $123.25 on autopilot every month. Okay, so it is very clear. You can see that extraction process has started, and we are starting to get some email addresses. But I'll just minimize it. Let the software do its work. Now the concept is very clear. You extract email addresses from in any niche. Okay, let it be, maybe you have a fan page or group related to watches. Okay, you want to sell watch. You just go and just try to research. Okay, who will need a watch. Okay, teenagers, like everyone, teenagers, people are always interested in the new technology, etc, etc. So what you do is you go to groups, Facebook groups related to teenagers. Okay, so most of the gaming groups are related to teenagers. Now you extract email addresses of people from those groups. By groups I mean Facebook groups. Okay, I'll just show you how to extract email addresses from a Facebook group. You can see out here that this much emails has been extracted. Now this is a pretty slow process, because the software has to go to every URL and go and extract email addresses. It has to search. Okay, so if you find any software that's doing very fast, that's just extracting email addresses in a matter of seconds, they are fake. They are just extracting emails from a database of million of emails and just giving you fake data. Okay, in this case it will take some time, but you'll start extracting email addresses. Okay, so after you extract, you can just use this email verifier tool to eliminate any duplicate emails, or you can see out here all these failed duplicate emails or emails that are not active. All this failed email will be eliminated. Okay, all these fake emails will be eliminated, and you'll have a list of quality list of emails that are working, that are working, and those emails are not fake. Okay, so what I was telling you is it's very clear. You extract emails of people who are interested in a particular product or a niche, let's say golf, or let's say cricket or football fans, and try promoting similar offer. Now in this case we have extracted a few emails of people who are interested in making money online. Okay, so what you do is you can promote any of these offers. Okay, you can promote any of these offers. You have the list of people who are interested in making money online. You got the offer which you can send and earn commission from anyone who buys this course or software or this system. Okay, so and the third step is sending emails. You can send emails from Gmail. Actually you can send 500 emails per day per Gmail account. You can just make 10 Gmail accounts, and you can just use this system. Okay, to send emails. Okay, it's very easy. The extraction process, you can extract tons and tons of. Okay, I'll just show you an example. Let's extract emails from facebook.com. Okay, so you just have to log into your Facebook account. So you can just enter the group IDs. Now what is a group ID? I'll just show you. Just go to groups, and let's say the money making ideas. Okay, this is a group related to people who are interested in making money online. So what we are doing is we are sending an offer related to making money online by emailing them. You just have to copy this link, come to the software, and just paste it, and click this new start button. So extracting from Facebook is more faster than extracting from any search engine, because Facebook have a group will have one page, and this software do not have to go deep inside. Okay, so you can see out here that it has already started to extract email addresses, real email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. Now you got the people who are interested in making money online. You got the group where you can extract emails. Okay, you got the people. Okay, sorry. You got the people uh, who are interested in making money online, and you got the offers to whom the offers which are really really awesome, and you can promote this offer to the just extracted email addresses. Now those people will be interested in making money online, so they'll be very very eager to buy this uh, okay, buy the system to make money online from the comfort of their home. So all you have to do is you just have to send emails. Okay, uh, you can send emails from Gmail, 500 per day per account. Just make 10 accounts and you can send 5,000 emails per day. Now you got the audience, you got the offer, you got the email sender. Now all you have to do is just wait and start making money online. Okay, so you can see out here that this software is continuing extracting email addresses from Facebook groups. I'll just stop it right now, because after I just want to show you that after the extraction process, if you have not made an order, you won't be able to export to anything. Like you can't save to file, you can't copy to clipboard, or you can't extract uh, as an Excel sheet. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to go right now uh, to the order now page and just order a business edition. Do not try the personal edition because it's really uh, it's not so good, it's not so smooth. I found that business edition is better than order edition. All you have to do is go to this order button and you can order the software. The business edition costs you $69, and the other one, the personal edition, will cost you just only $49. So what you can do with this software, you can extract tons of email addresses and you can offer them CPA offers or whatever you want. You may have a product or services, you can just go and uh, email them and you will get a lot of sales. Okay, the more emails you send, the more emails you extract, the more money you can make, and that's really really easily. So this software also has other features like Yelp extractor, company contact finder, scan website for email addresses, extract contact from movies, etc etc. If you are if you are confused as to whether to buy which edition, there are tons of edition. Sorry, actually it's not edition. I want to tell that when you are searching for an email extractor or making money online, there are lots of system. Okay, so you have to choose one which is good. I've done the research for you and I've chosen this software which is really really smooth. I want you guys to go ahead and get this software. This software will never gonna disappoint you. Okay, so you can see that you can find offers from clickbank.com. Okay, so you can get groups. You can just go and join groups related to your niche. So according to your niche, you can find products on clickbank and you can make a lot of sales. Okay, I wish you guys a very very good luck, and if you want to get this software, you just have to go to topemailextractor.com. So that's all about today. I just wanted to show you that this software is working. I can also actually show you today's date. Okay, today's date and time, it's 2:14 a.m. and it's the October the 31st 2019. You can see that this software is working as of today. It's still extracting email addresses. I guess it has extracted lots of email addresses. All you have to do is just click this export button. If you are on a free member, you can't export this list. Okay, so you got you if you do not have a budget, you can also extract email addresses and just write it down one by one, but it will take a lot of time and it's really scary actually. Sorry. Actually it's already 2:15 in my AM in my country, so I'm so sleepy, but I just wanted to make you a video. Okay, so once you click this export to Excel, it will take some time. You just have to wait for around a minute. So once it does, you'll see a pop up out here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, you can see out here the in the Excel format. Okay, you can see that everything can be okay, sorry, everything can be exported to Excel, so you can easily use it. So whether you are comfortable using Excel or any other software, it's not a problem. All you have to do is after you purchase the license, you just have to uh, wait for an email which will give you your license key. Okay, so you can see that I've extracted email addresses live, and there's nothing. I did not stop my video. You can see out here that it's been over 15 minutes right now. You can see that this software is working very well. I want you guys to get this software ASAP. Okay, you need this. I want you guys to get this software ASAP because this software is very powerful software. If you are here to extract emails or get leads for your business, this is the best software which you can use. Okay, so in order to get this software, go to top email extractor, and once you get there, just go to prices and this page, and you can also download the software for free and use it. So if you feel that this software is extracting emails, you just have to go to order now button. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you guys the best of luck. I want you guys to make a lot of money, and once last but not the least, I want to say that please help others who help you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.